talking about auto insurance rates, and they are more expensive now than ever across the nation and right here in Southern California. But some cities are far more expensive to insure your vehicle than others. On Your Sight's Kristine Lazar tells us how much more you can actually expect to spend on auto insurance this year. And again, which cities actually have the highest rates? It's that different.
Yeah, it is. You know, I remember when I moved from San Diego to LA and I called to change, my address, and I was shocked by how much my insurance went up. And then there's even variations in cities that border one another. So we have a whole list on our website that people can look through, but we're going to give you some of the highlights. But the bottom line is it's going up both for your personal and commercial insurance if you're a small business owner. Last year, the average Californian driver only saw about a 1% increase in their auto insurance premiums. This year, researchers at LendingTree say you can expect about 11.5% increase, leaving drivers and especially small business owners who have a fleet of vehicles with sticker shock.
Kerrygold Plumbing is a small business in the San Fernando Valley that has been around for 44 years. But this is the first year they have ever seen such a steep hike in their auto insurance premiums.
Right now we have 12 vehicles. Some of them we don't even use on job sites or anything like that, but we're paying around $58,000 a year.
Up from about $38,000 last year. That's a more than 55% increase.
And we don't really have a choice. We have to pay it to keep in business, and there's not a lot of carriers that will write commercial policies.
So you can't even really shop around?
No, we can't shop it at all. There's one other carrier, and they were, I think, double.
Across the nation, LendingTree expects auto insurance rates to increase more than 12.5% this year. Here in California, the average driver will likely see an 11.5% increase.
So this is independent of your driving record. Even if nothing changed from 2023, you could see your insurance go up by an average of 11.5%.
But there are cities that are more and less expensive to insure your car in. According to LendingTree's analysis, the most expensive city in the state is Beverly Hills at more than $3,000 a year for auto insurance. Number 2, Tarzana, followed by Van Nuys, West Hollywood, and North Hollywood, rounding out the top 5. In fact, the 30 most expensive cities to insure your vehicle in the state are right here in LA County.
Why are we seeing such a steep increase across the board?
It's a couple of factors, right? While inflation has started to slow down, cars continue to just be more expensive to repair and replace. And this is something that's happening across the country.
As for the largest rate hike in the nation, according to LendingTree's report, neighboring Nevada with an average increase of 28% for its drivers this year. But the most expensive premiums are in Michigan at more than $4,400 a year and Florida with close to $3,000 a year.
Why are some states higher than others?
Well, it all comes down to the negotiations that happen between insurance companies and, the state's insurance commissioners.
And here in California, we have one of the most consumer-friendly regulatory agencies. Insurance companies must publicly file all rate changes with the Department of Insurance, and the commissioner must approve them. Back in December, the department issued a warning to auto insurance companies, telling them they must write policies for all qualified good drivers. But if you do get a ticket, LendingTree's insurance expert says expect to see your premium increase more than 100%.
In light of all these rate hikes, it might be better to just drive very safe in 2024.
The most expensive vehicles to insure, EVs, with the Tesla Model X and Model Y topping the list. The cheapest vehicles to insure, according to LendingTree, the gas-powered Honda CR-V and the Ford F-150.
The least expensive city to insure your vehicle in our state, Mount Shasta in Northern California at roughly $1,300 a year. That's less than half of what it costs if you live in Beverly Hills. But get this, nearby Brentwood is one of the least expensive cities in LA County to insure your car with an average yearly premium of $1,788. And some other cities, Capistrano Beach, Joshua Tree, Ventura, Goleta, Yucaipa, Seal Beach, all of those are more affordable. Basically, if you get out of the city of LA, you're going to find more affordable rates.
Yes. All right, Kristine, thanks so much.